Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you to a hidden gem on the coast of South Korea. If you're looking for a peaceful escape with stunning views, you've come to the right place. We're heading to Deungdae Beach, also known as Lighthouse Beach. Unlike the more famous and often crowded beaches in Deungdae Beach offers a completely different vibe. It's quieter, more serene, and has a unique charm all its own. The name Deungdae literally means lighthouse in Korean, and you'll soon see why it's so fitting. As you arrive, the first thing that will catch your eye is the striking red lighthouse standing proudly at the end of the break. It's not just a navigational aid, it's the heart and soul of this beach, creating a picture-perfect scene against the blue sky and sparkling water. The walk along the breakwater out to the lighthouse is an experience in itself. Feel the gentle sea breeze on your face and listen to the calming sound of waves lapping against the rocks. This is the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll. And trust me, you'll want to have your camera ready. The view from the end of the breakwater is absolutely breathtaking. You get this incredible panoramic view of the East Sea on one side, and on the other, you can see the coastline of South, with the majestic Seoraksan Mountains rising in the distance. It's a perspective you just can't get anywhere else. Now, let's talk about the beach itself. Deungdae Beach is a relatively small and cozy spot. The sand is soft, and the water is remarkably calm and clear, protected by the breakwater. This makes it an ideal place for families with young children to splash around safely. It's also perfect if you just want to sit back, relax, and dip your toes in the cool water without worrying about big waves. You'll see local families and couples enjoying the peaceful atmosphere, a true testament to its local favorite status. One of the best things about Deungdae Beach is that it's connected to the vibrant Dongmyeong port. After you've had your fill of sun and sand, you can take a short walk over to the port's fish market. The energy here is amazing. You can see the day's fresh catch being brought in and even try some of the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. There are numerous raw fish restaurants, or hojip, as they're called in Korean, where you can pick your fish and have it prepared for you right on the spot. It's an authentic culinary experience you don't want to miss. As the day winds down, Deungdae Beach transforms. The sunset here is simply magical. Watching the sky change colors behind the lighthouse is an unforgettable sight. The warm glow reflects off the water, creating a serene and romantic atmosphere. It's the perfect way to end a perfect day in Sokcho. It's a place that feels a world away from the hustle and bustle, a little sanctuary where you can connect with nature and just be in the moment. So, if you're planning a trip to the east coast of Korea, I highly recommend adding Deungdae Beach to your itinerary. It's more than just a beach, it's an experience. It's the combination of the iconic lighthouse, the calm waters, the stunning mountain views, and the proximity to the lively port that makes this place so special. It captures the true essence of a Korean coastal town. That's all for today's adventure to Lighthouse Beach in Sokcho. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of one of my favorite quiet spots. Have you ever been to Let me know your favorite places in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.